Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply pin chats in WhatsApp on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. So for that, first of all, go ahead, tap on your WhatsApp app on your mobile phone. Once you're right over here, so let's say we have our chats right over here, right? So if you want to simply swipe to our left, then we will get more option in archive where we will have to lock chat, clear chat, delete, and block. But for the same chat, if we do it and slide to our right, we will have this option of a pin and unread. All we have to do is tap on pin, and now we can see our chat is pinned on top. If you would like to unpin it, again swipe to your right, tap on unpin, and there you go, your chat has been unpinned as well. So that is the way for you to do so. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.